everybody, so today I am bringing you the summer 2021 Kathryn Morgan Haul unboxing. Pretend I have a box and I'm holding it up, but I don't actually have a box just due to life circumstances and me being out of town for summer. So pretend the box is here. I'm really excited about this haul, which I want to talk to you guys about. One of the things with my quarterly subscription box is we are trying to, as of late, and if you've been noticing on social media, getting more of your feedback because we want to make it a box that is more inclusive and more suited to what you all want and need. And the biggest feedback that's both important to you and to me, quite frankly, that I have not been happy with in the past, is more inclusive sizing, more inclusive styles that are good for all different kinds of body types. And giving you all products that you will actually use and love. I think we've gone a little bit younger in the past, and now we're moving and bumping it up to a more inclusive box, especially coming in 2022. So we are listening, and it's something that's been in the back of my head as well. More styles of leotards and brands of leotards that can be other sizes, larger sizes, and more suitable for all different kinds of body types, for bustier dancers, things like that. So we're listening, we're working on it, and just not as many, for me, my biggest thing was not as many trinkets. So we're really trying to up these hauls for you guys, and especially by 2022, you're gonna be so excited. I'm super excited. But this one is quite good as well. If you wanna be surprised, click off, go away, goodbye. If not, keep on watching. So this box's theme, I was trying to go very summery, and with this leotard, the theme is Bluebird, because that is very summery. And stay tuned, coming later, a Bluebird variation course. Stay tuned. And perhaps a Bluebird bar here on YouTube. Stay tuned. So, the leotard you're getting is rather special. Here's the leotard. But do you see what's on the inside? It's reversible. A reversible Ballet Rosa boat neck, high neck leotard, very appropriate for all body types. And one of the biggest problems we run into is so many of you are not allowed to wear colors. I have to wear black, I have to wear black, I have to wear black. And then some of you are like, I really want colors, blah, blah, blah. Problem solved. It is a high boat neck Ballet Rosa leotard. You can see it here on me and other dancers here as well. And it's just this beautiful, simple, very flattering neckline for black. And then if you want to some days wear it as the blue side with this black lace detail, you can. So a little bit of both. It is super comfortable, super flattering, supportive. It comes in a variety of sizes. Ballet Rosa is working on that. They are working up to that. But I just love it. The fabric is stunning. And you get two for the price of one. Even better. So you'll only get one leotard, but essentially you get two. So I was quite like, oh, when I saw this. So that's the first thing. The next thing, I haven't even taken this out of the package yet because I wanted you all to see it. It's by Danches, and it's a puffer tote bag. So let me take it out of the packaging to show you all. It's a really nice size, both for just like everyday dance stuff. It's not huge, but it's also great for a tote bag for shopping, for this and that. It's plush. It's super durable. Seems to be rather roomy, even though it's just a tote bag. I mean, there's a lot in there. And it's a neutral black. You know, I'm of the age now where I don't want a dance bag with point shoes on it. I don't want a dance bag with glitter or whatever. This is a very adult dance bag, waterproof, the whole thing. Pockets on the inside, exceedingly spacious, and just kind of fits on your arm nicely. I love it. I love the size. I love everything about this. Very sophisticated kind of dance bag. And it's durable, so you can throw your stinky shoes in there and it's not going to ruin the bag. So super love this bag. You also get the classic pair of tights. Pick your size of the leotard, pick your size of the tights. But the final item in this box is not an item. Everybody is going to get a QR code to have a coffee chat on August 22nd, which is a Sunday, with me. Just exclusively for my haul people. So you'll get the QR code, which has the Zoom link in it. You can't get the Zoom link if you don't have the little thing to scan. And all of us Hall peeps are going to just have a nice little coffee chat on August 22nd. It's a Sunday. Just, hey, how are you? I'll answer your questions. I can meet all of you. We're going to start sitting down and talking. And I love that. It's one of my favorite things is to just meet you all and answer your questions and just hang out with you. I absolutely love it. So you'll get the QR code in the summer box. And we are going to start doing that in every box, whether it's a coffee chat with me, whether it's a percentage off of my live classes, whether it's, 5 people get a private lesson. I want to start including things in this box that are more than just products, that are experiences, because I'm a big experience person. So experiences, chats, classes, that kind of stuff, but only for the Hall peeps. So you get to get that in this haul as well. So the reversible leotard, 2 for the price of 1, the dance tote bag, the tights, and a coffee chat with me, all in this box. So it is super high value. The leotard alone is worth the price of the box. So you're getting all of this, again, trying to be more inclusive, a little more sophisticated and adult for my adult dancers, because I know there are so many of you and I love you dearly. So I hope you love this box. As always, welcome your feedback. Link to purchase the summer haul is in the description box. If you missed the Don Quixote beginner bar, right there to click it to watch. Love you all so very much, and I'll see you next time.